It's a huge privilege to have the blockbuster director Rohit Shetty with us here in Hyderabad. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama once again, Rohit.
Thank you, Faridun.
It's always a pleasure to be on your sets because the sort of जो एक camaraderie आपके sets पे होती है and lightness. In fact, I just saw कि आपने जब backup बोला है वहाँ पर, that was funny as well. How do you manage that?
See, because these are my family, I would say. Like they've been with me for so many years now. It's been 10 films, and they've been with me through all my ups and downs. And half of the year I spend with them. I would say like 8 months of my every year, 8 months of my life I spend with them. So it's like I'm working with my friends, I'm working with my family, and I think all the happiness what we share comes on screen.
Right.
I would say.
Okay. Now, Singham returns. We are on the sets of that. Now, Singham is one of the films out of all your films. कि अगर कोई फिल्म का एक reference point, I think आपके career में बनेगा. That's what I personally feel. That'll be Singham because it's something जो कि एक benchmark बन चुका है. That बच्चे की ज़ुबान पे इस फिल्म के character के बारे में और dialogues के बारे में एक जानकारी है. Do you feel some extra pressure when you're making a sequel or something like this?
Not really. See, I don't take that kind of a pressure because all you need to do is work hard and be better than your previous self, I would say. And yes, keep a reality check. Like, okay, if your film has done well, it doesn't mean that next film will also do well. Or you can't take your success for granted. You can't take your audience for granted. So you need to work more hard. And we do, and especially for me, it becomes like because I'm a commercial filmmaker. 70% of the audience, they love my film, 30% they don't like this kind of cinema. So you have to be very careful to cater the 70% of the audience who love you so much. So yes, I don't take pressure, but what I do is try to work more hard than what I have done in Chennai Express. I would say that I give more energy to my next project. Like I've given more energy to Singham Returns than Chennai Express.
You've always been vocal about your opinion about critics and everything, but the fact is that at heart you're an extremely simple person. You some people will say that critics के बारे में आपके views extreme हैं, but somehow what makes you so confident of your products as such? Is it the fact that you have a wonderful team that works together, and is it your hardworking nature, your belief in your writers and the entire team? What exactly is it?
I think, see, there are a lot of things. A package of hard work, I would say, my team, and then my audience, and the kind of genre I make. I know that what I'm making, as I told you, that you need to have a reality check. That okay, what I'm making, everybody may not like it, but there is a huge number of people who will like it for sure. So why not cater them only? And it's now, it's been years now, and now earlier it was you were fighting with 1 or 2 or 10 critics. Now there are 10,000. Every individual is a critic, so it's okay, fine. It's fine. Like it's part of your job now. Okay, the film will release. Few may like it, few may not like it, and then it will go to the audience, and they will like it.
Right. If I would ask Rohit Shetty that how many stars will Singham 2 will be getting, he will promptly talk about it, but so I won't ask him about that. Okay, now in Ajay Devgan's career, Singham will be a very important career. चाहे दिलीप साहब हो, चाहे गंगा जमुना का एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट या मुगल आजम का रेफरेंस पॉइंट का होता है, अजय देवगन के लिए सिंघम का रहेगा. So in that way, what different do we see in Singham Returns as far as Ajay Devgan is concerned?
Obviously, as I told you, like the most important thing for us was like Singham 1 was loved by everyone. And if you see, it was the highest run film on satellite also. Right. It still runs on satellite after, it's been 3 years now. We made Bol Bachan, we made Chennai Express after that. So yes, and Singham is a responsibility for us because cops feel proud of this project of Singham. So there is a huge responsibility, I would say, not pressure. And for that, when we started writing the film, we had this thing in mind. Okay, there are a lot of people who respect this film, especially the cops. Because when we travel, we meet them. They will always ask me, when are you making Singham? Right. So this is one film for them. So you have to be very careful while making. It's a commercial film. It has all the ingredients what my other films had or what Singham had, but obviously there is a serious issue we are dealing with this time, and how to cater this serious issue in a commercial way is what we worked on, and I think people will like it. Yeah.
Right. You've said it in earlier interviews that Raju Hirani is one of your favorite directors. Now you have joined the 200 crore club along with him with Chennai Express. Now, what is your benchmark for the success of any movie? Is it the number of crores it earns, or is it your own satisfaction, or is it the feedback? Because I think you're very high on feedback from people as such.
See, the most important thing I would say is commercial aspects of the film is very important. Money is very important, I would say, because otherwise, how will you make a film?
Right.
Whether you're making a small film or a big film, whether you're making a very message-oriented film or a small romantic sweet film, or you're making a big film like Chennai Express or many other makers, how they make. So most important thing is the money which you have pumped in. The producer should get his money back, which is important. And yes, audience should love it. They should get entertained. They should come out happy. Is very important. Whether it does 100 crore, whether it does 200 crore or not is not important, but it should recover its money, A for one, and for whom you make a film. You make it for your audience,
Right.
and you want them to be happy. So that is, if they come out with a smile, and there are so many instances in my life, like where I stay, there is a lady who stays on a higher floor, and she told my wife, like, tell your husband I want to thank him because whenever my daughter I want to do my household work, I put on Chennai Express, and my daughter is busy with that for 3 hours.
Right.
So there are so many instances like this about Golmaal, and people always ask me like, oh, आप गाड़ियाँ क्यों उड़ाते हैं? Critics say, यार ये गाड़ियाँ क्यों उड़ाता है? But it is, ask kids.
They like it.
They loved all those things. So I do it for them.
Your next film will be with Shah Rukh Khan. Can you tell us more about it as such?
It's too early to talk about it.
You're starting it next year.
We'll be doing it next year because he's doing one more film after this, after Happy New Year, and then we'll start. Yeah.
Right. You had a lot of fun with Karan Johar on his show as well, and उनकी फिल्म के लिए आपने खूब उनको बोला है कि अगर मैं जीता नहीं तो मैं फिल्म आपकी स्टार्ट नहीं करने वाला.
I think इसलिए उसने मुझे हम पर जिता दिया.
I think Zoya definitely feels that.
We are working on a subject, and again, it's going to be a big commercial film, but it will take a bit more time because we are just shaping up the subject.
Right. Last question. A lot of people we have spoken about it earlier as well, that the entire Rohit Shetty and the team bit that you just take along. Personally, I'm a fan of that because I think that's really appreciable that you take your team along. And Subhash is a very important person in your entire unit. We have spoken about Subhash earlier as well. What is it about Rohit Shetty that you are so fond of your team? Is it like you've seen your father?
Yeah, I think because of my father and because I've been born and brought up with these people, there are a lot of technicians, a lot of action team members of my on this project who have worked with my father also, including including Subhash.
He has worked with your father.
He's worked with my father also, and yes. I think that's my nature. I don't like. I become uncomfortable with new people, and I'm happy. Like if my people are around, I know things will go right.
And what about Kareena? Because a lot of Kareena fans are curious about Singham 2, that कि उनका कितना substantial role होगा, because I think she's an extraordinary actor. You worked with her earlier as well.
Kareena has done a great job and she has a great role in the film. Many people may be thinking it's an action film, so 4-5 gaane honge types, But when they see the film, I think she has a fabulous role and she's done a great job. And it works when we work together because it's been 3 films now. She's like a family and she's done a great job in this film. Also.
And what is the duration of the promo?
Promo, we're still working on it. I think, but it'll be like 2 minute 10 second types.
2 minute 10 seconds. Fantastic. Thank you very much, man, and all the best for you. Thanks a lot.